Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Amazon hat. Anyway, I bought some egg cooker and sorry, I just woke up. I want to make breakfast. Good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. So anyway, I wanted to make breakfast. Don't mind my hair. I just woke up and I just wanted to make the unboxing of the Easy Egg Cooker that I bought from Amazon. Let's do the unboxing and so we can use it. Okay, so great. I stay tuned. Okay, let's do this. Just put my hair on. Okay, I didn't comb my hair. Sorry, guys. Anyway, let me just put my AirPods here. Okay, so I got this Easy Egg Cooker from Amazon. This, guys, I guess this is my saver because every time I make some egg, it's so bad. Like it's hard boiled, but I want the one with a gooey kind of thing, right? So let's see what is inside here. Let me just put the hair up a little bit. Sorry, it's messy. Oh, whatever. Okay, let's see. Let's start. All right, this one here. Guys, I only get this from Amazon and it takes a day only and it's here. I'm very thankful. It's very, very good. And it's a reasonable price and I think it's worth it. So, comes with a measurement where you put the water, right? If you want soft egg, it's very little water. And then if you want a little bit gooey in the middle, it's medium. And if you want hard boiled, of course, all the way to the top. Okay, just put water all the way to the top. Okay, it comes with the lid. This one here, it's clear lid. Okay, okay, and you can make a poached egg as well. It comes with this little container. All right, but I don't really think I will use this. So let's see. This is the main thing. This is the base, and it's really good. It comes with, you can put 7 eggs in here, and it will just steam the egg. Okay, so you just have to plug it in. This one, right there, and you have to put the egg up the like upright. Okay, just like, you know, you have to do that and put it in here. Let's stand. Okay, I didn't see the manuals yet. I didn't even look at it yet, so let's look at it together. All right, so let me see. Make sure to wash it before using it, okay, with water, with warm water only. Just rinse it. Okay, let's see. Okay, according to here, you have to make sure you rinse all removable parts in hot soapy water, but do not submerge in the body into any liquid, because if you put this in, soak this in the water, I don't think it's a good idea. It's, I guess it's common sense that you not submerge just into any liquid, okay? You can just wipe the base right here. Just wipe it when you're done using it. And then with just damp cloth, right? Okay, so there's also cooking time here in this manual, and it shows that if you want your egg to be soft, it takes only 1 to 3 minutes. Okay, if you have 4 to 7 eggs and you want soft, that is the good cooking is 7 minutes. The medium boiled is 1 to 3. It's like 3 eggs, 4 to 7 minutes, and the cooking time is 9 to 13 minutes if you want it medium. But I don't want it like too hard. Okay, if you want hard boiled, okay, 1 to 3, and then you have to cook it for 12 minutes if you want hard boiled egg. But I like this. I think it's gonna work. So I wanted like just the one that has a little thing in the middle, right? You can also use this. I didn't even know you can also use this as a pan if you wanted to just do a scrambled egg, or you can do, yeah, that's why there is something like this that holds it. You can make a scrambled egg if you want, but I don't think I will. I just want a boiled egg, but just to make it perfect. This one here, you can put your egg and make it poached egg. Okay, and then just steam it. I think it looks like you're gonna have to just do this and put some water in here and cover it with the lid to make it working. All right, so let's try it. We're gonna cook some egg and let's see what happened. Okay, stay tuned here. Okay, let's put some water. Okay, let's put some water. We just need medium. I want to make a medium egg, so the water is up to here. As we put these 3 eggs upward like this, that machine. Okay, let's do this. Well, let's wash this egg first. Okay, just make sure when you put this egg, should be upward like this. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna plug it in right here. All right, and pour this water. This water is medium. I only want the medium, so like that. All right, and then pour it inside here. There you go. And then we put the lid, right? We turn this on. All right, so this will alarm when it's cooked. Because I just want medium, so it should be ready in 7 minutes. All right. Look, guys, it's steaming now. It's working. It's cooking. We'll wait again until it's ready. Anything easy, I like. I'm not a good cook, so this is good for me. Oh, it's now buzzing. It's ready. Okay, so what we'll do is open this. Wow. Just gonna close this one here. Okay, and then take this out and rinse it. Okay, let me just rinse it. There, I just rinsed it with cold water. Now we're gonna have to open it to see what's inside. Let's try. It's It's really hard to do this because I'm filming at the same time. Okay, I'm just cracking this egg. So it's easier to peel. Okay, so let me peel it, okay? Just gonna put away my camera. Okay, we're just gonna peel this. Wow, looks so perfect. Look at that. I'm peeling the egg. And I'm gonna show you what's inside this egg. This is the perfect egg. Ooh, let me have a bite. It's really hot. Okay. This is the egg that I want. It's really good, guys. Perfect. Anyway, yes, it's really good egg. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, I hope you like my video. Thank you. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.